Good morning, MMT. It is now 34 minutes into 9/4 September 2012. We called for price volatility would increase both to the downside and the upside. So you got support levels and go up, and then you have the reversal levels and you go down. And Google's made 83 lows in its bull trend cycle. It made a 52-week high in the last week of August. But I'm going to update the July construction spending. It came in minus 0.9%. Sorry, it should have been positive 0.5. August ISM index 49.6 versus 50 at the even line. What does that mean? It means that there's more contraction. That July number was 49.8 in the ISM index. So that's your economic data as far as where the bull is and where Apple just made highs. But I want to get this economic data out there. That ISM index is something that you need to be aware of. So I don't know how Obama's going to campaign around that. That's an update on the economic part. Crude oil futures, they fall back into negative territory. Hey, they gouged us. Gasoline has just been going higher and higher and higher. But nonetheless, this is an update, and we're looking at some positive and negative data. Remember, that ISM is important. And you can see how the equities are responding to the data. You can see that SMF said there would be price volatility. We hit the top right now almost. We got 215 highs. I told him MT, 250 of them. And what we're going to watch is where these wall of resistances and how these bull top exhaustions have reversals and the call sides get marked down. And here is the broader scope of this first 36 minutes is that the Dow has a slight contraction of 38. But listen, NASDAQ 100 is held up by Apple. And that's why it's minus only 4.85. And NASDAQ Composite, well, this is weighted big in there. So it's not a lot of selling at all. But individual names that were in bull 52-week highs will have pullbacks and they make profits. And today we're seeing evidence that we're going to make a new 52-week high on Apple, and that this 52-week high that was created is now having a reversal down to lower support levels. And what that's doing is going to bring this side of the call, the 680 calls down. They're weekly. So we're getting a 670 put on Apple that we're trading right now off of these lows of 560. And you can make $1 and then you sell these right now. Sell them now. Sell them now. And you get out there, 640 gone. Sell them now. The thing about it is, everything has ranges. Apple made a super 52-week high. And I just said what the ISM was. We're finally going into our second 30-minute tape of the beginning of price volatility. Welcome to September, as we had forecasted on our website. And I hope that you took the time to know that if these things are going to bounce off support, underperforming hedge fund managers of the calendar year would have to step in and buy at support and then let them go back up in the ranges. Once again, it's about identifying exactly where the bull is from the summer bull starting September. And as I said on the website over the weekend and the week before, is that, listen, every bull top and every bull cycle has to have reversal volatility, which is healthy for a market. They just can't go straight up every day now. They need to pull back to lower support levels. You make money and then you get long again, and then when they hit that support, they're going to go up. The call right here made 560. And I'm going to conclude that the Dow is down 51. And it's the start of new price volatility. We have our put options, and I'm going to put these out to sell at $20.50. This is a 685 put that we purchased, and we had it, and the low was 14, the high 16.50. We're going to try to, and our entries are below the market. They were down at 11.50, 12.5, and $15 respectively. 15.30 or 40, whatever it is. But nonetheless, we have a position here. We can add to the position once we know exactly what this bull 52-week high in Google is going to do. We have traded many of them, but during that summer dog days, it would not give us our $10 reversal and our bigger gains here. So I'm going to put these out to sell at $20.50 starting that September 685 put here live right now. And it's got a 52-week bull high reversal. That's all we're trading for the gain. Once these make our prices and once this thing pulls back like it should, and price volatility goes down as it went up. So you had your upside volatility in the month of August, the last week. Now you're having some reversal volatility, and this is what we were explaining to you in directional price movement on the website, and why you can be a market maker and why you can identify these price movements. And not only that, we would like to let you know that that MMT platform, at some point we went down. We're almost 3/4 delta down right here, negative 74. What does that mean? It's 53 cents a line in our MMT platform. We hit another area of support. But look at that long short. That's why that put side is working. That's why that put side is working. That's why you're making 100 lows